So as many of you know, I bought this refrigerator on the clearance, and it wasn't running, or it didn't come with all the material to hook it up when I first got it. So I've been having to make do to make it work. And what I'm going to do, it's got a 110 side and a 12 volt side, and I plan on pulling this plug out and replacing this plug, since I don't have a cable for it, with a plug from a battery for a 12 volt quadcopter. It's got a XT60. Let me show you what that looks like. It's this little connector right here. And these are good for, I think, about 60 amps continuous. But anyway, what I'm going to do is take the same cable I've been using. This is like an outdoor utility low voltage cable. I think it's 12 gauge, which should be plenty for the current. I think it's only like, the refrigerator runs off 4.5 amps, and these are rated for 60 amps continuous. So these plugs ought to work great. And I'm going to use this cable and connect it to one of the circuits that I have available right here. I get my 12 volt. I don't know what color I'm going to use, but I'm just going to put a 10 amp breaker and run it off one of these circuits, and have one circuit that is just for the refrigerator. So if all works out well, I'll have the refrigerator running off 12 volts by the time I'm done here. So here we go. There's a little diagram that shows whether it's positive or negative. So I'm going to go by that little diagram back there, and hopefully I hit it just right. If not, I might blow this thing up. We'll see. See, it's labeled gray, so that's the wire I used. Pop this in here. There we go. Helps to put it on volts DC versus volts AC. That's what we want to see. Which is, my little meter's reading up here, 12.8. There we go. It says AC or something. There we go. Cool. Looks like it's gonna work. Although it says 12.3 volts. It's actually 12.8. So that's not right. Huh. I mean, that's Chinese stuff, man. That's saying 12.2 volts. Whoa, what the heck is going on up here? Huh. I think we need to charge these batteries up. I guess that's the warning. Alright, we'll get the batteries charged up. Take it from there. Yeah, that was a warning. It flashes when it gets down to I guess 12.6 volts. You can it's adjustable, you can set it. Of course I haven't charged these in a while, so I got the AC on back here too. Let me go shut that off. Got this thing installed. I don't know if you can make that out. I just opened it up, and it was actually at 32 degrees before I opened it, and now it's at 36. I don't know what I have it set at, but it's really cool. I don't know if you can make this out. I hope it comes out on the camera. I'm only drawing 0.05 amps. That thing is really efficient. Either that or it's not working. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it though. I don't hear the compressor running, but I imagine when it kicks on, that'll probably change. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Okay, so that's with the compressor running. I'm going to turn the light on, but it is drawing about 5 amps. 69 watts. This isn't too bad. Let's wonder how long it has to stay on. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate your input, and let me know what you think about my new setup with the camera and the recording software or editing software. Anyway, remember, build it, don't buy it.